Welcome to ForexToolShop, the #1 Forex robot reviews and ratings site on the internet.
Fundamental analysis is the study of the underlying forces that affect the well-being of the economy, industry group, and companies, which then are reflected in the price of that underlying security. If a company is not making money, then most likely its stock price will go down, a direct result of certain fundamental factors. The goal of fundamental analysis is to derive a forecast for future cash flows. For a stock analyst, this would entail looking at a company report like balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. Through this analysis, one could come up with a fair value for a stock price, then compare it to where it's trading at now and make an investment decision based on those factors. Since fundamental analysis is about looking at intrinsic value of an investment, its application in Forex entails looking at the economic conditions that affect the valuation of a nation's currency. It analyzes the health of a country. Here we look at some of the major fundamental factors that play a role in the movement of currencies. Usually, every day of the week, some sort of country will come out with reports. Monday, we had manufacturing PMI. We had ISM manufacturing. Tuesday, we had pending home sales. Wednesday, we had non-manufacturing PMI. New Zealand unemployment. These are all highlighted with different colors to showcase their importance. Red being very important, orange being medium, and yellow being not so important. Some of the major news events that currency traders look forward to are unemployment, a report that tells you what the rate of unemployment is in the country, and another popular one is the actual interest rate decision, which tells you what the central banks are going to be charging as their interest rate. That is one of the largest fundamental reasons for why a currency will move. If a central bank is raising interest rates, the holders of that currency or the buyers of that currency will be getting more on their investment for buying that currency, and vice versa. So when studying fundamental analysis, you may want to look into the specific factors of each one of these reports. And many times you'll see that once a report comes out, there may be a large move or spike in a certain currency pair following that news report or almost instantaneously. The cool thing about all of this is that everyone receives the report at the same time. So there's a smaller chance of insider trading, and much of this information is given to the public at a fair advantage. So using fundamental analysis gives you a better understanding of the underlying factors for which a currency is moving up or down.